Hello again, everyone. So as you may or may not know, I love Japanese cars. And this is my little garage queen. It literally is a garage queen. I put like 200 kilometers on it in the last year. It's a 2000 Toyota Celica or Celica, depending on where you're from. And it's got just under 92,000 kilometers, which is, I don't know, under 60,000, 58,000 miles, 57,000 miles, something like that. I'm the second owner. And I love this car, and you can check it out in the video now. I take it for a little drive and start it up. It's just so simple, and I don't know, it's just a piece of history. It's a modern classic, and I like it. But I'm gonna buy, or I bought a real JDM car, right-hand drive. It's on a ship right now, coming to Canada, and I'll have that in a couple weeks. So this thing's got to go. And yeah, if you can guess in the comments what I bought. But it's a right-hand drive, manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, and it's probably not the one you're thinking of, but it's still a pretty good car. Anyway, enjoy the video, and yeah, I'll kiss this thing goodbye hopefully soon. I'm just putting it up for sale on Auto Trader today. Enjoy the video.